Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. So guys, in today's video, I have come up with 10 easy to remember personality idioms to describe your personality or someone else's personality. For example, if someone asks you that describe your personality in one word, so how would you do that? So these idioms will help you out to describe your personality in one or two words, and that too in an effective manner. So are you excited to watch this video till the end? If yes, then stay tuned and do not forget to subscribe to my channel and hit that bell icon button to get the notifications of my future videos. And if you will like the video, then do not forget to give it a big thumbs up. Guys, do it. It will help me out to groom and to grow my YouTube channel. So the first personality idiom is a closed book. A closed book means a person who is hard to understand, a person who doesn't express his or her emotion easily. They take time to get acquainted with their surroundings. So they are not easily open up with their emotions. For example, is it okay to be a closed book? Is it okay? Do let me know in the comment section below, guys. I'm waiting for that. And your next personality idiom is a couch potato. A couch potato. It means a person who majorly spends his or her time in watching the television. They do not have any active life. They just sit and watch the television and lazily spend their day. For that person, we can use this idiom, a couch potato. For example, I don't know what should I do to make him active. He never understands that being a couch potato is not good for his health. And the next idiom is tough cookie. Tough cookie. It means a person who is mentally and physically strong. We have a rare combination of these two abilities, a person who is mentally and physically strong. For that person, you can use this idiom, tough cookie. For example, why are you worried? Take a chill pill and do not forget that you are a tough cookie. So do not forget that you are a tough cookie, guys. And another one is related to cookie only, and it is smart cookie. It means a person who is smart, who is clever, who has a good decision making abilities. For that person, you can use this idiom, a smart cookie. For example, I must say that you are a smart cookie. So do let me know in the comment section below that which cookie you are. So the next interesting personality idiom is butterfingers. Butterfingers. Like, how would you interpret this idiom? For example, you have butter in your palm, or on your fingers you have butters, and you are trying to hold something. So will you be able to hold that thing? No, it will drop out. So butterfingers means a person who frequently drops off the things that they are holding in their hands. We are surrounded by such people, like for what matter, whatever they hold, they just drop off that thing. For example, I don't know why it always happened with Princey that whenever she carries something, she just drops off that thing. I must say that she is a butterfingers. Next personality idiom is eager beaver. Eager beaver means a person who excessively hard worker, a person who is overly zealous, a person who is always enthusiastic to do anything, or you can say a person who actually works harder than the others. For that personality, we can use this idiom, eager beaver. For example, he is an eager beaver to his company, but he hasn't got any fruitful recognition yet. So being an eager beaver is a good thing or a bad thing? Do let me know in the comment section below. Next personality idiom is armchair critic. Armchair critic means a person who is criticizing other people for no reason. They do not even know the first-hand information before criticizing anyone. They just criticize for their own fun, for their own pleasure. We have certain people around us that they criticize others and they try to interfere in others' matter, but particularly the major purpose of them is to criticize. That too, not constructive criticism, it's all about the destructive criticism. For that personality, you can use this idiom, armchair critic. So, have you ever faced any armchair critic? Again, comment below. And the next idiom is, and very interesting one, it is happy camper. Happy camper, a person who always remains happy in every situation. Okay, that person never feels low, he always feels happy, enthusiastic, and he knows that how to handle the situation. Okay, so because of that, they always feel happy, so they are happy campers. For example, there were no happy campers after the company was reorganized. So your next personality idiom is morning person. So simply, morning person means a person who wakes up early in the morning, who is fully active throughout the day. That okay. So for example, I'm a morning person. However, I want to be a night owl too. I'm a morning person. However, I want to be a night owl too. So in this sentence, you have your last idiom, personality idiom, and that is night owl. Night owl means a person who goes to bed late, or you can say a person who stays up late at night, or the people who wake up late in the morning. So for that person, we can use this personality idiom, night owl. For example, I have tried to be a night owl, but I must say, I failed terribly in it. So guys, do let me in the comment section below that how do you find these personality idioms, are they helpful or not, and what you would like to see in the further videos. Do let me in the comment section below. Until the next video, see ya.